Hi kids, so welcome back to another practice questions of the chapter 5, that is the fundamental unit of life for the class 9 students, and this is part 5. Okay, we have already done with part 1, 2, 3, 4. If you haven't watched the videos, go through and watch the entire one. And this is for the class 9 students presented by me, Pooja Verma, your teacher. So let's get started. But before we begin, we need to follow certain rules that you need to use a sheet of a paper and a pen to answer these questions. Along with that, if you have done the correct answer, give yourself +1. And if you have done it wrong or unattempted the question, give yourself 0. There is no negative marking. And most important, students, listen very carefully to the explanation which I'm going to provide you after the end of the each questions. And don't forget to tell your marks in the comment section below along with your name. Fine. And students, if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section below. I'm happy to answer you. So let's get started. The first question for today is the smallest organelle in a cell are, and your options are A, lysosomes, B, spherosomes, C, peroxisomes, and D, ribosomes. So students, here you are very clear with all these types of cell organelles, and you need to tell the right answer that which of them is the smallest one, which of these are the smallest cell organelle: lysosomes, spherosomes, peroxisomes, and the ribosomes. Take your time, take 2 to 3 seconds in this, and then mark the right answer. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is option D, that is ribosome. You students, you know very well that ribosomes is the site of the protein synthesis. Ribosomes helps in the protein synthesis. In prokaryote, it is of 70S, made up of 50 and 30 subunits. In eukaryote, it is of 80S type, made up of 60S and 40S subunit. Clear? Next question is, the fine network of membrane distributes throughout the cytoplasm in a cell is, and your options are A, Golgi body, B, mitochondria, C, endoplasmic reticulum, and D, lysosome. Students, here you need to understand the fine, I am asking the fine network of membrane, okay, that basically distributes throughout the cytoplasm. The fine network, if you go with the term, na, then you got the right answer. So the options are A, Golgi body, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and lysosome. Take your time, mark the right answer. Okay, so I thought that you have marked the right answer. So the correct answer for this question is option C, that is endoplasmic reticulum. You know very well about Golgi body, mitochondria, okay, endoplasmic reticulum, and the lysosome. So fine network type that distributes membrane bound organ that distributes throughout the cytoplasm, and is a major site for the protein synthesis as well. That you know very well that endoplasmic reticulum is of two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is called it as rough just because of the presence of the ribosomes. Ribosomes are attached to it, that are the site of the protein synthesis. Clear? Next question for today is, all the membrane bound organelles are except, okay, all are membrane bound cell organelles except, options are A, mitochondria, B, spherosomes, C, ribosomes, and D, lysosome. इनमें से कौन सा मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड सेल ऑर्गेनल नहीं है? बाकी तो सारे हैं, कौन सा नहीं है? So you need to tell that which one of them is not a membrane bound organelle. Take your time and mark the right answer. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is option C, that is ribosomes. Students, ribosome is a cell organelle that is very important because that is the most important the site of the protein synthesis. इसको आप भूलिएगा नहीं, protein synthesis किधर भी आएगा, you need to mark the ribosomes. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is ribosomes. Ribosomes do not have a cell membrane bound or type of organelle. Next question is, which one of the following does not have DNA? डीएनए का फुल फॉर्म आपको पता है, दैट इज डीऑक्सी न्यूक्लिक एसिड। सो इसमें से किसके पास अपना डीएनए नहीं होता है? एंड द ऑप्शंस आर ए न्यूक्लियस, बी माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, सी क्लोरोप्लास्ट एंड डी राइबोसोम्स। Think this is important question. Think and you mark the right answer. If you're clear with the concept that what is nucleus, what is mitochondria, what is chloroplast, what is ribosome, then these questions are very easy for you. It is just the revision, done the revision purpose for you. Okay, so think on the options, take your time, mark the right answer. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is option D, that is ribosome. Ribosomes do not have their own DNA. Nucleus obviously have, chromosome is there. Mitochondria obviously have, that is the reason we termed mitochondria as a semi-autonomous. Chloroplasts also have, but ribosome is a cell organelle that do not have any DNA of its own. Clear? Moving further. Next question for today is Golgi apparatus is absent in. And the options are A, liver cells, B, higher plants, C, blue-green algae, and D, yeast. Take your time, mark the right answer. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is option C, that is blue-green algae. Blue-green algae is in blue-green algae, Golgi apparatus is not there. Fine. The next question for today is mitochondria are found in. Options are A, in all the cells, B, only in plant cell, C, only in animal cell, and D, in all eukaryotic cell. Students, you need to know that what is the function of mitochondria. Okay, mitochondria, the site of the energy production in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So you know very well that energy is being utilized either in the case of plants and animals. सबको energy चाहिए ना to perform all the basic essential metabolic processes. So take your time, mark the right answer. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is option D, that is in all eukaryotic cell. Okay, so in all eukaryotic cell, either we're talking about plants or we're talking about animals, all the eukaryotic cells require energy to perform its metabolic processes, and that energy is basically synthesized by the mitochondria. Okay, in the form of the ATP, that is known as the energy currency of the molecule, that is adenosine triphosphate molecule, and mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. ये टर्म्स को आप याद रखिएगा, इससे डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं आपके एग्जामिनेशंस में. क्लियर? सो कीप रिमेंबर ऑल दीज टर्म्स. पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल इज माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. Okay, energy currency of the cell is ATP molecule, that is adenosine triphosphate. Fine. Moving further, next question is lysosomes are known as suicidal bags because of, and your options are A, catalytic activity, B, hydrolytic activity, C, parasitic activity, or D, saprophytic activity. So take your time and mark the right answer. Okay, so you know very well that what is the function of the lysosome and why it is known as suicidal bag. And if you haven't, go and watch the complete playlist that is on the YouTube for the complete NCERT explanation of the chapter 5, that is the fundamental unit of life. So the correct answer for this question is option B, that is hydrolytic enzyme, breaking of the certain molecules. Okay, hydrolytic enzymes that is present in the lysosome, and that is the only reason lysosome is known as suicidal bags that basically deteriorate or deplete the unnecessary unwanted substances inside the cell. Moving further, Eighth question is, lysosomes are generally found in, and your options are A, animal cell, B, plant cell, C, both animal and plant cells, and D, bacterial cell or bacteria cells. Take your time, take 5 to 6 seconds, mark the right answer. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is option A, that is animal cell. Lysosomes are generally found in the animal cell. Okay, moving for the next question. Lysosomes are surrounded by, so many questions on lysosomes, right? Okay, the first option is one membrane, B, two membrane, C, three membrane, and D, none of the above. Take your time, think that what lysosomes are surrounded by, either of with one membrane or the two membrane, three membrane, or the none of the above. Take your time, mark the right answer. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is option A, that is one membrane. Lysosome is surrounded by one membranous structure. Clear? Last question for this video is, dictyosomes are, and your options are A, place of flagellar organelle, B, respiratory particle, C, Golgi bodies, and D, class of ribosomes. So you know very well about dictyosome. Multiple time I have told you that what is dictyosome, where it is found, what is the function. So mark the right answer. Okay. So the correct answer for this question is option C, that is Golgi body. Golgi body in the case of the plant cell is termed as dictyosome, and this concept you know very well. So student, that's all for this video. I hope that these questions are helpful for you, and if you have done, don't forget to mention your score in the comment section below along with your name, and if you have any doubt regarding with any question, do ask in the comment section below. Okay, and till then, take care. Thank you so much and have an awesome day. Bye.